Omar Lutfi here with Lutfi Innovations. Today we're going to talk about energy monitoring on my mini split system. So I've started out, I ordered two energy monitoring smart plugs from Amazon, and you can see them here. And what that allows me to do is I installed an app on my phone which shows the energy usage. And here's a screenshot from my phone. Here's the app. I have two of them set up, and you can group them together. And so here's what I did. And then what I'm really interested in is the statistics, and it lets me view how much energy it's used by day for both the plugs. And from there, I can take that information, and I created a spreadsheet. So you can see the high temperatures and low temperatures of the day, the kilowatt hours it's used, and from there I converted it into Fahrenheit, and my energy use costs 11 cents a kilowatt hour. So you can see total it costs on average $1.17 to run this. And so I've created a chart for this. So you can see it's been pretty cold here the past week. It's been at or below freezing at night, and during the day it gets a little warmer. So from here you can see how much it's costing me to run it each day and the temperature. So I think obviously I'm going to try and get more data as the system's been in use longer, but I think for some fairly cold days, this has been a pretty good investment. So I will be collecting more data and see how things go from here. So thank you for watching.